Hey everybody, it's the Double P with today's Equipment Minute. And up today, we have a sold unit that's going out for delivery this week. A brand new model year 2026 New Holland Workmaster 95 utility tractor. This unit is 97 gross horsepower, has a deluxe cab with heat, air conditioning, air suspension seat, 2 rear remotes, 3-point hitch. This unit has rear wheel weights on it and a New Holland built loader with the skid loader style quick catch on it. It also has the deluxe wide cab mirrors. This unit is brand new, redesigned, the Workmaster 95. If you're looking for a nice utility tractor, let me know. The chips are never down when Paul's around.